All right, good day, YouTube. And what we've got here is a Series 28A by HB Smith cast iron boilers. And this is a old power flame burner, fire in this bad boy. Don't want to go too much into detail on this. Your mud leg there. This is the blow down for this is the boiler feed pump and primary low water cutoff. Got a maximum differential on the head there. And this is a McDonnell Miller number 63M, which stands for manual reset. Oftentimes you blow these things down and you forget to push that little tab there, and you're going to have a no heat callback for that. Major downfall on this boiler is the seals are kind of iffy, and it's got a welded header, which is believed by some that to not provide enough relief when the boiler expands and contracts when it heats up. Let's see, we've got possible leak forming. This has been repaired at least once. The water would slam in here from the boiler feed pump and cavitate and hammer right here. I'm pretty much eating this away. You can see the weld repair in the past. And this probably should be lowered probably about 4 inches or so to reduce the hammering on this feed pump line there. That's probably going to start cutting loose at some point. I want to focus, though, again, back on this McDonnell Miller number 63M. What makes it M, standing for manual reset, is the number 2 switch. I have the part that we replaced about a year ago. I'm going to get a close-up of the switch. So there's the float, and it's normally in this position. And this is what it looks like new. There's the gasket, 4 bolts. There's the original gasket. Right there. Let's see. That, all right, let's see if we can get that to focus. Yeah, see, this is the reset. So I'm going to push this tab, and that is all that happens. There. And so when you blow down the float, when you blow down the control, this drops, and that little piece of metal there just keeps it from resetting. So I can move the float back, and it won't reset. So if I hold it back, push the tab, see if we can reset, see that? Just like that. And now I'm gonna, there. And that's the manual reset, just that. Let's see if we can get you to focus. There we go. That little piece of metal there is all that stands between this boiler and perdition. So we drop it, it still doesn't reset. So if this is down and you push the tab, it won't reset. It's only when the float is up will it reset. And there, that's it. All right, so let's see if we can get this to focus a little better. I thank you again. I hope this was instructive and useful. And I'll see you next time.